Hi everyone, welcome back. We're going to be looking at our August 2022 Unity Stamp Kit of the Month. It is called Hope is Stronger. And if you haven't checked out our Use It or Snooze It collaboration with myself and Wonder and Dreamer 555, please click on the link, check out the video I made for July, and then click on the link in the description box and check out what she has made as well. It's so interesting. We did not discuss what we would be doing, and we both chose one of the same stamps. Now I'll tell you what it was, or use it, or snooze it, but we both chose one of the same stamps. So let's go ahead and look at what we have. Usually get some type of free something in the mail. I did not peek this month. I just let it come to me, because it feels like we're behind on our collaboration. But what we're doing is actually using the stamp kit from previous months, so you can get ideas. You can look on the net and things like that. I have pretty strong convictions about this August kit. July, you'll have to see what I make. So you get two cool little tags. You can always make one of these a go by. You get three little pieces of wood, two stars, and a heart, which is great. Then you got some flower ribbon, which is cool. And you get this cool little layering piece, and you get a green sheet. So they're directing us in what we should try and see. And then this is the kit. It's a wreath, a bee, wheat situation. Hope is the only stronger than fear. Only thing stronger than fear. I was like, wait, I just read that and it still said the same thing. Wishing you warm autumn days. I don't want warm autumn days. I want cool autumn days because it's been hot lately. If you haven't been affected by the heat, yay, because it's been hot. And then we have this situation here. We got some leaves, and then we got more leaves. Those who love don't go away. Excuse me, I can't read. Those we love don't go away. They walk beside us every day. That's sweet. A sympathy card. And you are one in a million. This would be really cool for this statement with these or these. You can stamp all over and just put that. And I think this person sitting under the tree, this sentiment goes well with that they walk beside us every day. They don't go away. And then this right here is like a pumpkin patch background, a little fuzzy stamp. This and this. And I thought this was a person's head at first poking out. See, it looks like a lady kind of sitting there. I don't know what I was thinking. But these are the stamps, and they're pretty big. So you got this, like a nice, good background stamp. And this also could be a very nice background stamp. And then you got these leaves, this situation right here. And usually Unity stamps are a little bit or a lot a bit larger than the images, which is one of the things I do like about the entire stamps that they have. They have nice size and it's red rubber. Okay, so you'll have to see which stamp I choose to snooze and which one I choose to use in September. And the reason why it's 1 month off is it gives us time to like look at the stamps and maybe work with a few of them and choose our favorite and our I could live without it stamp. So I hope that you've enjoyed what it is that we have. This is pretty interesting situation right here. Very interesting. But anyway, I will say thank you all for watching. Until next time, happy crafting.